today is February 7th of 2024, and we're here for an appeal hearing of an impoundment by Bruce Roberts, who is here. And just a couple of housekeeping things. This is an informal hearing, so if at any point you have a question, just feel free to ask. And we have to be on the mic because it's being recorded, and that will be the official record of this hearing, as opposed to having minutes and so forth. So I'm just going to turn that on. So if you need to speak, just make sure you speak into the microphone. And then I had introduced earlier Catherine Levy, who works in our office and arranges for these hearings. And then we have Officer Abernathy with us, which I believe he's the one who issued the tickets and then the impoundment. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. All right. So just a couple things. So you obviously, since you're here, you received the notice of the hearing and so forth. Did you plan on offering any evidence, or were you planning on calling any witnesses in putting on your case? Okay, great. And as I said, it's informal, so we'll just, as questions occur to you, please just feel free to ask. All right, I think that's enough for us to get started. So can you, and I do want to just emphasize one thing as we start in, and I made you a copy of the relevant ordinance just so you can have that, and I highlighted the part that is germane to this case. This appeal hearing has to do with whether or not the standard was met for a proper impoundment. Okay, and so the section that was being invoked is Section 23-277, and then more specifically, operation of a vehicle when registration is canceled, suspended, or revoked. So what I am going to ask you now is to explain why you think the impoundment itself was improper, because that's the substance of the hearing.
I feel it was inadequate.
Just
inadequate because simple fact is, the officer followed me from this place, from the police department, 4-5 blocks before he could put the lights on me. I didn't break any laws, no traffic laws, except for my registration now, and I was headed to the insurance company to take care of that. I had just got paid. But my point is, how did he read my tag? My sticker is clean. My sticker got 1024 on it. So he's able to ride around in town on his computer reading people's license plates? Okay. Is that the law? That's how the law works now?
Okay.
He can do that, but I can't be on my phone? So that's contradicting, right? If he can ride around driving and playing on the computer, because he didn't pull me over to after we got crossed them tracks behind Snooks, and he followed me from here. And I was coming down Urbana Avenue, headed home, which ain't but 4 blocks from here.
Okay.
And my point is, how is he able to, what violation did I do for him to read my tag? He didn't give me no ticket for speeding. He didn't give me no ticket for running a stop sign. He didn't give me no ticket for any of my lights being out. He just pulled me over and told me my tag was out.
Okay. So I'm going to just, I want to just make sure that, again, that you understand what authority I have in this context is not whether or not what the officer did leading up to the impoundment was proper. It's whether the impoundment itself was improper. So I'm just going to ask you, you get a ticket for 2 different things.
For no registration. That's right, the only ticket he could give me.
I believe that there was no insurance, or insurance wasn't expired. Was there another
Yeah, I got the letter right here. It was due, it got, my tag got suspended on the 21st. 4-5 days later, he stopped me right down the street, and I was headed home and to the insurance company to take care of my business. And the letter states that the 21st, my tag was going to be suspended. I understood that. But on the 25th, I'm headed to the insurance company. This is where I'm going to take care of my business. I'm not a crook. I ain't running around here being wrong, trying not to. I'm a regular citizen. I ain't got no felonies. I ain't out here committing murders. I ain't running up in stores robbing people. I ain't doing nothing illegal on the streets. But you can follow me 4-5 blocks, then run my tag while we driving? That's wrong.
So again, that's
I know you saying that ain't got nothing to do with it, but it does. That's how it all led up to this.
Yes, but this is not the forum for dealing with that.
So I'm going to lose regardless. It doesn't make a difference. I just wanted to show my face and put this on record.
Okay.
Your police officers are running around here checking people tags while they driving. If he'd have pulled me over and ran my tag, it'd have been a different story. But he didn't. He ran my tag while we was driving. Then he pulled me over and told me my tag was suspended.
Okay.
And he didn't know I ain't have no insurance till after he ran my tag.
Okay.
So that's my point. So the law states that we can't do this and do that, us public people, us citizens, but police is different. They can ride around in the police cars and play on the computer. That ought to be against the law. That's a distraction. Because your eyes ain't on the road. Your eyes on this computer that's sitting right here.
I understand the point you're making.
So I was targeted because there's 4 or 5 cars that look just like mine right over here in Urbana. And it's a bunch of young people that drive them. That's why I say I was targeted. Because ain't no way you can follow me 4 or 5 blocks, then pull me over and tell me my tag out, unless you doing something illegal yourself. Now, either I'm contradicting myself or the law contradicting what his policy is. If I can't play on my phone, what gives the right to police to be playing on them computers while they driving?
Okay. Okay.
But see, I see now I'm not going to win. I'm not going to get my money back. I just wanted to make sure everybody understand what this officer is doing.
Okay.
He's targeting black men riding in the same kind of cars because it's 2 charcoal colored SRX Cadillacs just like mine over here. And it's 2 black ones with young guys in it. Same kind of car, but they black. And they run around here in Urbana all day long. So what was the reason for him to pull out of the police station, jump behind me, and follow me 4 or 5 blocks, then turn the lights on? That's the only answer I want. Why?
Okay,
what was the question? Why would he do that?
I can't answer that. That's not the purpose of this hearing.
I understand that.
Okay. So I just want to make sure we just kind of close out the hearing, and so I want to just ask you a couple specific questions, and then we can be done, and I appreciate you coming down. Do you disagree that your registration was suspended when you were issued the ticket?
No, I don't disagree because I got the letter. Why would I disagree with that?
Okay.
That's crazy. My point is, why is the police following me?
Okay.
For no reason. What was the reason for him to follow me and run my plates when the sticker is clean? The sticker says 1024.
Okay.
And he's seen that with his own eyes because he was up on my tail of my bumper. I'm watching him the whole time he pull out the police department. I'm watching him.
Okay. Okay.
So this don't make sense to me.
I
It really don't.
I got it.
And I see now I'm not going to get no clarification behind it because the police going to keep doing what they're doing. They got automatic tag readers in their car now. That's against the privacy of my way of being. That's against the Privacy Act. You just can't run around here doing folks' tags for no reason, just to be doing it because you want to get a ticket that boost up your money, and he just got back in January. So I know he's missing on all the bonuses for his tickets. And his IRS time. People getting tax money back. But it's fine. It's fine. Because every dog has his day, and God gonna punish all that do wrong. Yes, he does. In his own way.
Okay, I think we've covered everything that's germane to this hearing.
So there you go.
Okay. If you want
I
to
appreciate y'all giving me the opportunity to speak. I appreciate all y'all done. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day.
You too.
And I'll see y'all in the near future.
Okay. Don't forget your coat.
And the police chief, because I will be back. I want to know why he's running around here while he's driving. I'd like to know that answer.
All right.
And if not,
I will pass.
have my lawyer get in touch with y'all.
I will pass that along.
You know, one of these youngsters that's out here playing with dope that ain't got common sense. I can get some stuff did.
Thank you.